Hello, how are you? I hope all is well. I am your Mr. Professional Hacker. Today's topic is a vulnerability analysis portion. Here is, and the tool we are using is a Nikto. These are some tools, and here is one tool. Okay, important tool is these two main important tool is okay, but end of the complete lecture when we provide you after we start these tools. Okay, so let's start with the theory and then move on the practical side. You can directly click to open Nikto. If you want to see all commands, then you can click on it. You can directly click on it to open it, or you can also open it by typing in the root terminal here, Nikto -h, same result. Okay, but let's move our important theory. Nikto is an open source web server scanner that helps identify potential vulnerabilities and misconfigurations in web servers. It scans for outdated software, missing security patches, configuration errors, and other potential security risks. How Nikto works? Scanning for vulnerability. First, Nikto sends multiple requests to a web server and checks its response to find known vulnerabilities like outdated software, default files, insecure configuration, etc. And second thing is signature database. Nikto has a large database of known vulnerabilities and exploits which it uses to compare the responses from the web servers. And number third, reporting. After the scan, Nikto provides a detailed report on the vulnerabilities it finds, giving security professionals insights into possible risks that need to be fixed. And purpose of Nikto's first, security testing. It's primarily used by penetration testers and security analysts to audit web server for vulnerabilities. Compliance checks. Second, Nikto helps ensure that a web server follows security best practices and does not have known issues. Third, reconnaissance. It's often part of reconnaissance phase during a penetration test, helping assess the security posture of a target. Now let's start our practical first. Okay, let's move on our first command. Here you type Nikto -h, then you type here http, then type colon, then type /, then here you type which website domain or your victim domain. Here you type, okay, basic scan on a web server. Explanation: this scans the target web server. In his case, if you type here, for example, I will type here google.com, okay, for known vulnerabilities and issues. It's provide you complete detail with vulnerabilities about google.com. Okay, then enter here. Now here you see IP address, multiple IP address found, okay, MAC address found, port found, date found, time found, okay, and it's working more on this because it takes some time. So we don't have more time. So let's move on our second command, sorry. It's just for your understanding and for practical. Okay, but here you type your victim domain and your victim website if you have, and if you want to scan his server. Second is specifying port. Here you type again Nikto, then again type -h, then again you type here http colon dual slash, then again google.com. But here you type your victim domain or website or okay -p, then port 8080. Okay, this command scans a specific port, in this case port 8080, on the target server. Okay, useful when a web application is running on a non-standard port. Okay, here he showed error, cannot be used with a full URI. Okay, because this tool don't allow to attack or scan someone port or someone server scanning. It's just for example. Okay, so don't use illegal. Next command is saving output to a file. Here you type Nikto, then type -h, then type http, then here colon slash, then again you type here google.com. If you want to save result about that, here you type -o, then here you type output.txt. Okay, save the scan result onto a file named output.txt. Okay, help save the result for later review or reporting. Enter. Okay, same detail it's saved in this command. You see after done, because here we cut in the mid, so here output.txt file available. Okay, if you want to see or you want to reporting after that, then you can. Our next command is using SSL TLS for HTTPS sites. Here you type Nikto, then you again type -h, then you type http, then colon, then dual slash, then you again type here google.com. This command scans an http enable server. Okay, http enable service. Here useful for web servers using SSL TLS encryption and HTTPS. Here that's showed again complete detail about that. And again here cut and move on our next command. Here you type Nikto -h, then hosts.txt. Okay, scan multiple targets. This command is scan multiple targets in a file named host.txt. Each target should be on a new line, useful for batch scanning multiple web servers. Here you type enter. Okay, 0 hosts tested complete. Here ls, here c. Okay, no detail available here because don't have any host available in this. So let's move on next command, setting the timeout for connection. Here you type Nikto -h http colon dual slash, then google.com, then again timeout 10 second. Here you type 10, okay, and enter. Helps control the time Nikto waits before decide a server it's not responding. Okay, this give you same result, but when it's done then maybe some results change. Okay, next command is enable disable SSL checking. Here you type Nikto -h http then again colon then again / then again google.com. okay, then you type here -ssl. Forces SSL checking on a non-SSL port. Useful when a service is running SSL on a non-standard port. Here you type enter. Multiple IP address found, 0 host tested. It's complete detail about. Next command is running Nikto through a proxy. If you want to run Nikto by using proxy, then you type this command http://google.com, and then again here you type -user proxy. First we need to check if it's working or not, because some commands are not working and show error if configuration file not available in tool. Here you type proxy server. Maybe this command showed error. Here you type colon, then you type here 8080, enter. Now it's working. This command allows you to scan the target through a proxy server. Use case helps anonymize your scan or bypass network restrictions. Here it showed complete user proxy unknown option. Okay, here it showed the complete commands and some description about user proxy server. These are command about user proxy server. Okay, here you see complete detail, user timeout etc. Here you type clear terminal. Okay, let's move on our next command, customizing user agent header. Here you type Nikto -h http://google.com. okay, then here you -user agent, and then you type here dual comma, then you type here capital O Mozilla /5.0 and then type dual. This changes the default user agent string to Mozilla 50. It's a browser name. Useful when you want to mask Nikto scans as a regular browser visit. Here type enter, and again here some results are changed because now it's working on Mozilla 50. If available in your system or available in Kali, then it's working on it. Our next command is scan specific file types. Here you type Nikto, okay, -h https://google.com -file, then again type here /path, then again / then /, then again file. Okay, this scan a specific file or directory on the web server, Helpful when looking for vulnerabilities in a particular directory or file. Enter. Then again it showed complete commands about tool. Okay, because this command is not available in this when I write here. It's available in this tool, maybe with different way. So let's see from the tool and then use this command. Okay, next move on our using plugins. Here you type Nikto -h, here type http :/, then again google.com. Okay, here you type hyphen capital plugin, capital P only, plug ins, then again here you type example and enter. Okay, here check. This runs specific plugins during the scan. Plugins are extension of Nikto that allows for more advanced scanning technique. Here is a Google. Okay, you can open this link by click on it in your type. Okay, let's open, and you here, if you do any work on it, here it showed result, because we just open this link and then cut, so that's why here it's not show any result. Okay, and then clear our terminal. Next command is scan tuning. Here you type Nikto -h http :/google.com. Okay, then you type here -t capital tuning, then here 9. Okay, allows you to fine tune the types of check Nikto will perform. Here you enter. Again it showed the complete commands, because in this it's command in different method. So let's find here scanning tune. Here you see find scanning. Here is tuning command. Okay, scanning, scan, tuning. Interested file seen in logs, and these all things you check by using this command tuning plus. Okay, here we need to type tuning plus. Here we just type 9, but here we need to type tuning plus. Here you can click on it. Okay, and then copy, then down our cursor, and here you type click, and then you can click on right, and here we need to type plus, enter. Again it shows same result. Hyphen tuning, just want to see spelling mistake, spell mistake. Okay, so need to correct spelling. Here a single, tuning plus, enter. Again mistake, so please don't worry, try again till you succeed. Okay, hyphen tuning, and then here type plus, and here then again type. No, it's not working right now because on google.com don't have any data, that's why it did not show anything about that. So move on our next command. Maybe it's last command. Yes, it's second last command, Nikto. You can use this tool with nmap. Okay, nmap is a very important and very powerful tool when using for information gathering, and also you can use for vulnerability scanning. In our next lecture we will told you about nmap. It's a very powerful tool. So here you type, simple thing is, if you can use nmap, nmap hyphen svp, and then you can use script here. Okay, then otherwise second is again type here nikto hyphen h and http and google.com or your website when you want to scan. Here are some helpful commands. Here, scan for CGI directories. Okay, here you type hyphen C. Okay, G I D I R S. Not available. If I enter here, this command is not available because first we need to configure file about these commands. Okay, now here is our lecture is finished, and we will meet in next lecture. And with that our lectures come to an end. We will meet in the next lecture. Make sure to watch the complete lecture, full session, try the practicals, and for those who are new to the channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. We will meet in next lecture. See you.